Hello, students. Welcome back. So we are continuing with the building of the arcade. So we have almost completed the arcade building and have assembled all the items inside it, and we have to put up a roof and some lighting inside it. So that part we shall do it today, and let us finish off the arcade part in Blender today. So now to continue with, this is the arcade. We have built it in our last session. We have added all the components here. One final thing we need is we need a rooftop over here. So we have to create a rooftop. So for this, press Shift S and see that the cursor is at the world origin, and then press Shift A plus add a cube. So we have added the cube at the center. Come to the front view here. Okay, press 3, that is 1. When you press 1, you will be in the front orthographic view, and in this view just zoom it in and press Shift plus tab to activate the snapping. Then press tab and enter into edit mode. Press A to select everything. Okay, be in the face mode here, select everything, and then press G and along the Z axis move it to this and snap it to this surface, and press tab back so that the origin point is at the bottom of this cube. Then press, now come out into the object mode. That is, now we are in the object mode. So come out of edit mode now, and in the object mode now press G and Z and move it to the top here so that it snaps here. Then press, let us scale it, press yes, and now let us scale this, and when we are scaling it, let us scale it along the Z axis. Okay, so let us press Shift plus tab to snap it. So let us scale it this much. Okay, this is the rooftop. Now press 7 to come to top view. Now press yes again to scale it, and this time scale it along the Y axis. Again press Shift plus tab for snapping and scale it exactly to fill the top like this. Okay, now come again to front view, and this roof is very thick. So what we shall do is press scale again, and along the Z axis let us scale it down. Okay, let the thickness be very small like this. Okay, this much thickness, this is fine. Okay, so now we have created a roof. Okay, this is fine. And now come back here. This roof is present where here we have the cube. Click on this name and double click it and rename this as roof, and then enter. And for this, now come to materials here, and in materials click on new material, give it the name as roof underscore material, and let us give some dark gray color for this. Okay, let it be a dark gray color like this. Okay, so the roof is done. So we have the room here. So if we move inside this room now, this is actually the room where we will be playing our game. Okay, and here let us add some lights to the top. Okay, so that there are some that is design lightings over here. So to create this lighting now, again what we shall do is press 1 and come to front view. See that the cursor is at the world of origin here. Then press Shift A, and this time in mesh add a cylinder. So we have added a cylinder. Now press R, and along the Z axis rotate it by 90 1 second. Press Ctrl Z, R, and along the X axis rotate it, not X axis, or Y axis rotate it by 90 degree. And after rotating it, press scale and scale it down and make it thin like this. So let us, okay, so this size is okay. Then again press yes, and along the X axis scale it to some length like this, so that this is throughout the length of this arcade. And after this, now name this cylinder as, okay, let us give it the name as light 1. Okay, and let us give it a color, add new and give it the name as light color 1, and let us call it as LIGHT, light material blue. Okay, and now select a light blue color, some color like this, a light blue color to this, and then now select this and with G pressed, now along the Z axis, oh sorry, we have selected the wrong item, select this light 1, then press G and along the Z axis press shift tab to switch off the snapping and move it just below the roof like this, and then come to the side view here, and it is placed somewhere here. What we shall now do is press G and along the Y axis let us place it somewhere here. Okay, and now with this selected, press shift plus D to duplicate it. Okay, and along the Y axis slightly move it to the side. Okay, so that we have two lights here now. Okay, so if we go inside and if we see it, see we have two horizontal lights like this. Okay, you can now see here, one second, let us move inside, and if we scroll it down, so we have two lights like this. Okay, the second light, what we shall now do is before we duplicate, select this duplicate and delete it now. As of now, let us make this length a little small. So select this second light and right click and let us delete this. Now select light 1 and again scale along the x-axis. Let us make the scale little smaller. Okay, it was very long, let us make it slightly smaller. Okay, this is fine. And then now duplicate this, press shift with this selected, press shift D, it gets duplicated, and then come to view number 1 second, it is duplicated. Now come to 1, that is view 1, side view, and in the side view, sorry, 3 side view, and in the side view let us press, move it along G axis Y. Okay, let us move it a little like this, so that if you come to wireframe we can see, so we have two lights here. So G Y, slightly move it like this. Okay, we have two lights here. So select the second light and let us change its material. So instead of light material blue, for the second light, let us name this as light 2 here. Okay, so double click it here and name it as light 2, and here let us remove this material and add a new material and give it the name as light material. Say for example, let us add green. Okay, let us add a green material, and then click here and choose a bright green color, and then if you come to the shading mode now inside and see it, so we have one blue and green light present like this. Okay, in the arena. So let us add it in multiple points. If you come to the top view now, so we have two lights here, light 1 and light 2. So let us select this and now press shift plus D, it will duplicate, and along the Y axis let us move and place one more light at the center here. Then again press shift plus D and along the Y axis move it and place it here. So if you come to wireframe mode now, we have three lights. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. Now select all these lights, light 1, light 2, all this duplicated, all these lights together. Now come to object, light to light 2. Select all these 6 objects here. Now come to object and click join, so that it becomes one single unit as light. Okay, So we have created the roof and the light, and let us go inside, come into the shading mode and just have a look at it. So when we play the game, we will be approximately in this position. Okay, so we will be standing here with shift press. Okay, so we will be standing here, and as we play the game we look around like this. Okay, let us move it still little closer. So we will be playing the game like this, and if we turn around, see, you can see this is our scene that we have built up. So everything now looks fine. So this completes our Blender job of creating this arena, and next our job will be in Unity to import all these assets into Unity and start using it. So for this, now with this ready, now go to file and choose save to save your arcade completed file. So with this, let us end this session, and our next session, and with the next session we will be back in Unity. Thank you.